Namaste Suchitrans. In the past, we've brought you exciting shows like Super Stree celebrating the powerful women in our lives. And Suchitran Superstars where we showcase the outstanding talents within our school community. And now, as we step into this new year, we are thrilled to bring you another special show, Alumni Spotlight. The show where we reconnect, recall and celebrate the remarkable journeys of our very own Suchitrans who once walked the halls of our school and are now making waves in the world. Today, we bring our star alumni back to where it all began, here at Suchitra Academy. In this episode, we'll relive the cherished school memories, hear about the incredible achievements, and discover how their time at school shaped who they are today. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to be inspired as we celebrate the success stories of our alumni in this heartfelt journey down the memory lane. Let's dive right into the Alumni Spotlight.
Namaste. I'm Sara Kotadia from grade 11. Now, let's welcome our first guest for Alumni Spotlight, Veda Raju.
Namaste.
She's a dynamic individual who has made incredible achievements in both academics and tennis. We welcome you to Suchitra Academy.
Veda Raju, an accomplished alumna of Suchitra Academy, is currently pursuing her studies at George Mason University in Washington, D.C., while continuing to excel as a college tennis player. A standout athlete, Veda represented India in the prestigious World Junior Tennis Championships in 2019 in Malaysia. She has held the #1 national ranking in the under-14 category and was ranked #4 in the under-16 category. Internationally, she achieved an impressive #13 ranking in the Asian Tennis Federation rankings and reached the semi-finals in both singles and doubles at the Road to Wimbledon tournament in London. Veda's extraordinary achievements on and off the court make her a true inspiration for aspiring athletes.
First of all, congratulations on representing our country. You're truly an inspiration for all of us here in school. How have you been feeling?
Coming back here is just bringing up so many good memories I've had with the school. I've seen so much growth since the last time I've been here, and I've been here since a lot of years, and the buildings, everything, the facilities have changed so much for the better, and it feels so nostalgic to be here. It's very nice.
What is the first memory that came to your mind when you stepped into the school?
The first memory would be the way the school has actually changed. As far as I remember, there were times where I was like, this building wasn't supposed to be here, there's only mud, and the lawn, it was still all muddy, we didn't have a proper lawn. The auditorium, the changes in auditorium, and
I agree. There have been massive changes.
Yes.
How do you think the school has shaped you into the person that you are today, and how has that helped you in achieving your goals?
I mean, the school's the first time we spend so much time here. It's home and school. So, school, all the teachers, you know, the values they teach, the values of the school that we have, the RISE, and, you know, they just make you so self-confident, the competitions the school hosts, the way they take us to field trips, you know, teach us manners. The first thing which stuck with me was treating people with namaste. And it's so respectful, and it shapes a lot of people like that. And school also gives so many values which are not only useful inside the school but also outside when you're, you know, meeting guests or something like that.
That's amazing. Well, you've excelled in both academics and tennis. How did you manage to balance it all?
The biggest supporter has been my school, actually. The way Deepa ma'am and, you know, all teachers, Praveen sir has supported me, given me permissions to, you know, slack off on attendance while I had opportunities to play tournaments, and given me permissions, you know, to come late, to join the classes late. That's obviously been one of the biggest supporters I've had.
That's incredible. Our mentors are always there for
Yes.
us whenever we need them the most. What's one moment in your sports and academic journey that you're most proud of and would love to share with us?
On the sports side, the moment when all the hard work actually paid off and in the rankings I became India number 1. That was when I was actually the most grateful for all the support I've gotten from my parents, my coaches, my school teachers, also all my friends, because the amount of times I've asked them for help and notes has been so many. So yeah, on the sports side, being India number 1 was one of the best memories I've had, and also when I represented the country, I felt so much pride in doing that. On the academics side, it would have been when I was in 6th or 7th, that time I was traveling a lot. That was when I was getting up in the rankings, my performance was getting better. So then my attendance in school kept going down, and then suddenly I used to pop up in class, and it used to be like, you know, the star in everybody's eyes which is there. They're like, oh, Veda is here. It's one of the best memories is to see how happy they were being there, and, you know, it was just so exciting.
What advice would you like to give to the students here who are looking to pursue sports and also excel academically?
The first and foremost thing would be just to believe in yourself. That can be the biggest favor you're doing to yourself. And, you know, you just have to be patient in the process, put a lot of hard work in. Nothing comes easy. And, yes, be true to yourself and just work hard no matter the results. They will come.
Thank you so much. That's truly inspiring, and also one of the most difficult advice to actually put forward. Thank you so much for spending your time here and joining us here today for this episode. I'm sure you've had a great time. I've had such an amazing time talking to you. Your journey has been a true testament for hard work and dedication, and I hope you get a chance to go around the school reliving all of those memories that you've made.
Yes, thank you so much for having me here. Of course, I'm gonna take a walk through the school. It's been amazing being here. You know, I'm feeling so nostalgic, you know, seeing all my friends. Some of them, at least my juniors, and all the teachers who are still here, and also the growth of the school has just been amazing coming back.
We would all like to wish you and all the very best for your future and your journey ahead, and I hope you have a great time.
Thank you.
Namaste.
What an incredible start to our Alumni Spotlight series. Listening to Veda's journey and her inspiring achievements has been a proud moment for all of us at Suchitra Academy. Her story is a testament to the power of passion, hard work, and the foundation built during her school years. As we wrap up this episode, we thank Veda for joining us and sharing her experiences. We hope her journey inspires our students to dream big and reach out for the stars. Stay tuned for more inspiring stories in our upcoming episodes of Alumni Spotlight. Namaste.